Here is an example of a product that has sold well. And here's an example of how I would change this up for the nurse niche. Again, notice here how we were able to take this into the nurse niche, and all of the insights here are fitting to that nurse, which is so powerful and really, really easy to do when you start understanding what things are selling well. That's why I go all the way back to my point here. You have to know these trending styles to know how to adapt them into other niches. If this is sold massively, then my next thought would be, okay, is there opportunities, right, for me to create inside of the same season? Yes, there's opportunities. Make one for Gigi, Nana, Grandma, sure. But is there opportunities for me to take what has worked well for this season in this niche and apply it to a different area? I think the answer is yes, which is our example right here. Let me share with you another example of how this can be applied, right? Bring in the same type of nurse niche here. Here's another type of example we can have here. Notice how we're still bringing in that pumpkin inside. Obviously, is all the different things that's still bringing in that leopard print, but obviously the elements are all fitting to that type of nurse niche that is doing well. Here's one that's perfect for the teacher niche, which I think anything teacher is really evergreen. I know we had back to school just kind of wrap up, but really anything teacher, anything nurse, those are those evergreen niches. But you can find those opportunities to sell well by taking a popular style like this. And we're not even talking about putting striped background on here yet, but we can. But taking a popular style like this and applying this over into other micro niche opportunities like this. What about for different sports? Yes, we can do that for different sports. We can do that for basketball, football, so many opportunities. But here's where I'm trying to share with you on this live stream, and I really hope I'm connecting with you, is that you can actually go a step further and make your design stand out even more. Like when I see this, definitely coming off of the back of a product that's clearly selling well, like this one's clearly selling well. We found examples, like real examples from Etsy, that this product here is selling well. Already made 2 sales in the last 24 hours. That's really great. But even in my mind, and this is kind of how my team works when we create done for you listings for our members, I think about what is not here, right? Just not what is here, but how can we increase our value by offering things that's not here, but that we know is huge in value. But one of the things that's not here is the opportunities to add in text. Yes, we have text in the middle. I totally get it. But remember how we said we can add in perceived value in regards to personalization. So if I were doing this, I'm looking at my little screen here, but if I were doing the same design, same pumpkin style for, let's just say, a soccer mom, how can I add in text to make this, even more valuable, right? I'm making this for a soccer design. I kind of already give you like my secret sauce. If I'm making this for a soccer design, that's the style or the niche I want to focus on, soccer. How can I make this more valuable with, adding in perceived personalization? Just add in a little text here at the bottom and make this for soccer mom. All right, make this for soccer mom. If you are anyways struggling with getting sales, if you feel like you have the right tools, you took all the classes, you kind of know all the steps here, but you feel as though you're just not making sales, right? The thing that I just want to share with you, is the opportunity for you to work with our team. It is called our Done For You service. Shameless plug because I know it's valuable for people. I created a Done For You service where me and my team create the listings for you. I mean, just imagine every single week you get 25 listings delivered to you. Things that me and my team have researched, like everything I'm talking about in today's video. This is what our team does for all of our 55 plus SE members. And we gain all those in like 4 weeks. So you can see how massive this is, right? Imagine getting things that delivered to you every single week. Things that are created specifically for you, not templates or duplicates of other listings, things that's geared towards your niche, your focus, your brand, things that's perfect in regards to trends and styles that are currently doing well, but also to have all these things done for you. Just not the PNG design is perfect with upscale 4K, 300 DPI, transparent background, but also make sure you have a mock-up, dynamic mock-ups that fit the actual niche, because that's also creating with purpose. It's just not about the design. You also got to make sure you create with purpose to make sure that everything else lines up right. Make sure that your mockups are great. Make sure your titles and tags are all in line with what the niche is, to make sure that you're doing this at the right timing, and make sure that you are creating this for the right opportunity in regards to the niche, and do this consistently, which again, Etsy is a game of consistency, right? And I think people struggle because they don't list things consistently, right? And so if you are that person who need a little help, maybe you don't have enough time in the day to launch and list your products and you feel like you're falling behind, Listen, friends, you don't want to fall behind in one of the most major, massive traffic season on Etsy, which is the Q4 season, which we're coming up to. You don't want to miss out on that huge opportunity. So what me and my team will do for you, that we'll create 25 ready to upload Etsy listings, all geared towards your niche, your focus, your brand. This is the exact system and tool I use to launch high quality products in my own shop. And so just imagine having every single week 25 listings delivered to you every single week, right? High quality, all in light of your niche, your focus, your brand, things you want to focus on, things you want to avoid. We have a whole onboarding process. We built an entire software system that will help us better understand how to serve you well. So when you get your designs here, you'll get them in light of all the things that we do. So how does this work? Very simple. We handle all the heavy lifting for you, so that you can focus on just uploading, marketing, and growing your shop. What we do is that we research profitable niches and seasonal opportunities, kind of like what I'm teaching you in today's video, but we do this for you ourselves here. We also help you identify designs that are selling well, but also create the designs for you that are all original designs. That means every single thing we create is yours to keep. It's not duplicates of somebody else. The designs is not a template that we give to everyone. This is things originally made for you based upon your niche and your design focus. We make sure these designs are all high quality PNG, built around your specific niches, and then we prepare them for you. Like all the things you are doing right now in your software tools, wherever your software tools are, like the upscaling, the removing the background, making sure they're the right pixel count, making sure the DPI is the right thing to have, because when you transfer that over to a PNG product, or maybe to Printify or Printful, you got to make sure all those things are actually prepared to sell for Etsy. We do all of that for you. And the cool thing about this too, and those of you who are selling PNG products, like digital products, that Etsy says you can't upload anything above 20 megabytes. We even make sure that every design we give you fits into every requirement that Etsy provides. So we have everything prepared for you. We create dynamic mockups. If you want to share some of your mockups with us, we can use your mockups. If you don't have any mockups, don't worry. Our team create dynamic mockups. That means your mockup will fit your actual niche, which in my research, those are the type of listings that convert well. Just not designs that are on generic mockups. And I'm kind of sharing with you, if you're not making sales, it's probably because one of these things or all of these things you don't have. Your mockups, your titles, your tags, your designs, your consistency, your quality, but we do all that for you in every mockup we create. And I'm kind of sharing with you, you can see what mockups we create is right here. Like we're literally showing you like what happens. Every mockup is a dynamic mockup. We create your mockup based upon your niche, because what we understand, and I learned this from my own shop and after coaching hundreds of people and reviewing thousands of shops, I have found some commonalities that listings that showcase the overall value from beginning to end, from mockup, from price to design to quality, and those mockups that kind of communicate the overall vibe of the design, either be for Christmas or for fall or for 4th of July. If that mockup can showcase that niche as well in the background to kind of show the setting that fits, like this example here, those are those listings that convert well. And listen, don't take my word for it. Look for yourself. Like this example here, I'm just sharing with you in real time. The background is fitting the niche. The niche here is about Halloween, fall vibes. What is the background? It's not Christmas trees. It's things that fits to that overall style, that overall vibe. This shirt here that we just said making 2 sales in the last 24 hours. Look at the background here. The background fits the overall style and niche. I found that to do well. So if you're using generic mockups or the same mockups, that might also be hindering your sales. So that's why our team create dynamic mockups for you so that every mockup fits within inside of your niche. All this is done for you, by the way. If you're somebody that wants to start an Etsy shop, you don't want to miss out on this huge opportunity of Q4 season, and maybe you're that person who don't have any clue what to do, like what the prompts are, what the niches are, how to do keyword research, how to do all that, what tools and software you need, but you know the value of getting a shop up for you. This is why this done for you service exists. Maybe you're that person who knows exactly what to do. You got all the tools. Matter of fact, you have multiple tools, multiple design softwares, multiple research softwares, and you finding yourself paying for subscriptions on top of subscriptions, and you have multiple membership communities you're involved in and bought multiple courses, but you're that person who still come back home and maybe tired from the day or don't have enough time in the day to take all that you have and list a product, because at the end of the day, friends, you can't make a sale unless you have things up for sale. So we're here to help you as well. We're here to help you get to that finish line and to get things done. 25, just imagine waking up and have 25 listings already done for you. That the only thing you gotta do is just upload and list. And then the next week, 25 more, upload and list. And the next 25 more, upload and list. And you'll see, obviously, fine print here. Of course, I got to say this, these results do not reflect a guaranteed outcome, but these are real examples of people listing things consistently, high quality, at the right timing, fitting all of the requirements and standard up to the level of these best-selling shops on Etsy to make sure that everything is working well. Titles, tags, description, mockups, make sure that your designs are up to par so that when someone download them, they're not giving you a low star review because you didn't give them the right type of product at the right quality for their print shop, or maybe your own print shop. So we make sure everything is up to par. These are things I'm doing in my shop anyway. I'm just sharing with you how we can bridge this over into your shop. Prices going up soon. Like, we have 55 members already here. And just a little side note too, when we deliver these products to you, we're not kind of emailing you back and forth. We're not playing the emailing game, right? We're not giving you a link to Google Drive to find all your things. We create a whole software. I kind of show you that software, then I'll share with you some designs our team have made. So here's our software that we made here. You can see our updates that we have. And the cool part about this is that we are fully transparent, right? In this, it's kind of like Amazon, like when you purchase a product and you kind of want to see where my delivery is and where is it, we want that same level of transparency. So inside of our own personalized built software for our done for you service, we built a tracking progress bar so that you see where I am and my team are every single time we move in the process with your products. And then you get a nice little confetti and celebration when your things are delivered. And the cool part about this is that we have the opportunity for you to manage your preferences. So what is that, right? Obviously, we know that everyone's targeting different niches, have different focuses. That's why no one's designs are ever the same, right? You have different maybe styles that you found yourself that you want us to use. And so that's why your preferences are all tailored to you. And I kind of want to share that with you because I had somebody ask a question. Are these like templates that we have for everyone? No, these are not templates. We built an entire system to make sure you tell us what niche you want us to focus on. And that is what we will create for you. We're working for you. We're serving you and we're partnering with you. So how does this look once you jump in here? You can head over to the preference area. You can plug in your shop, plug in your products that you sell here, and you have the opportunity to select for us how you want our team to create for you. You have 3 opportunities here. You can do Market Explorer, which this is essentially for somebody who doesn't know anything about Etsy, but they want to make sales and they just want our team to do everything. We can do it all for you. Like, literally, it's a flip of a switch and our team would do everything for you. Market research, trend research, niche focus, mockups, all that would do it all for you. Like, we're literally building your business for you. If you're somebody that like, Jay, I know a little bit about what I want, but I also want your team to do some research too. That's why we have a blend focus. We take a little bit of your niches that you added, a little bit of what our research is, and we just kind of merge and come in the middle and give you great things. But then I know you might be somebody who say, Jay, all I want, like I have a person right now who say, Jay, all I want is math things. And another member said, all I want are just things for nurses. That would then you want us to select brand focus. So when our team comes in here and build things out for you, we know what to focus on. And of course, you have all different type of settings as well. Like, this is truly tailored to you. And this is what our team looks at when we create your products. We have opportunities for basic mockups, dynamic mockups here. You can select if you want us to create your SEO for PNG, or if you want us to select your SEO for t-shirt products. Literally, this is all tailored to you. You tell us how we can best serve you well. There might be opportunities. I get it. There might be opportunities where you be like, hey, this week, I just want a whole bunch of things focused on this niche. You don't have to go back and forth emailing me or talking. It's all inside of the app for you. You can select the highlight week, plug in your niches you want to focus on, plug in your reference images, save it, and our team will look at your highlight week to make sure that we're creating for you. The cool part about this as well, you can add in all of your niches. Say if you want to add in mom life, teacher niche, if you want to add in whatever niches you want to add in here, you can add that in there, and then our team will focus on the niches you want us to focus on. You can talk about things you want us to avoid. I'm just kind of walking you through what we do in real time. You can upload your own mockups. If you say, Jay, I know you got some mockups, but I want these mockups. Upload your own mockup, and our team will utilize that in our dynamic way to find the best color and mockup style for you in any reference images you have. Now, listen, we already have tons of reference images that we're using of top listings and top products that are selling well, but we also get it. There might be a certain style you want and you want us to incorporate that. That's where you have opportunities to upload a reference image, and then all that will be there for you. So very, very cool. You can see all your listings here when they come in. You can see your deliveries and keep track of where you are with all of your listings. Here's some examples here as well, just some examples of what you would get when you head over to your listing area. You can see your design, your mockups here, and your titles and text. So like I say, everything is organized. Listen, I am huge on being organized. And then for our done for you service, we want you to get to the finish line a whole lot faster. So listen, friend, I'm just sharing with you what is here. I know a lot of people are, looking to really change the game for their life, for their finances, and they're buying subscriptions and services and classes and courses. And listen, I offer all that too. I totally get it. But at the end of the day, I get the disconnect from, I have all these things, I know all these things, but I still find myself not having time to list those things. That's why our service is here. So listen, shameless plug. Why? Because I know it's powerful. I know it's helpful. We create 25 listings for you every single week. This week only, you can get it at our lowest price ever. You can get it at 97 cents a listing. And we're actually going to give you 20 extra listings this week. So that means the first time we deliver something to you, you get not just 25, but you get 40 products ready to go, all tailored to you. That link is down below, my friends. Listen, if this was any way helpful or encouraging, let me know. I hope that, if you jump on our service, that's great. If not, I hope today's video was helpful so you know what to target, how to take what is trending well, and how to adapt that into your own niche, find opportunities of value. How can I take this over into a different niche, add in some more value here, and how can I make sure that I sell well? Because listen, friends, these shoppers here are not doing anything special, but they're doing something right. All the links will be down in my description box below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me. I can't wait to see your growth from here. And as always, my friends, I'll see you in the next video.